Let's make some incredible easy smoky dinner wraps that are filled with mushrooms and other flavors. Start by cutting your mushrooms and put them in a bowl. When they're all cut, marinate them by adding some oil, salt, pepper, chili flakes, sweet and smoked paprika powder, and some smoked salt. Mix everything together until you have a nice coat of spices on your mushrooms. Set them aside and continue with your other preparations. Cut an onion into medium-sized cubes. Do the same with the bell pepper. Finally, mince your garlic. And mix your mayo with some sriracha sauce, resulting in a very tasty spicy mayo. Heat up some oil in your pan and add your onion. Saute shortly before adding your garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Now, add your bell pepper and cook until the pieces start to get soft. Add your smoky mushrooms and chicken strips and cook until everything is done. Now, grab yourself a tortilla and start with some lettuce on the bottom. Add a few spoons of your mushroom chicken strip mixture and finish it off with some spicy mayo. Fold the bottom of your wrap up and the sides in and plate them. It's that simple. There you have it. A wrap filled with smoky mushrooms, bell peppers and chicken strips. Enjoy!